Most men struggle to compliment a woman in a way that truly sparks deep attraction. They either play it too safe, saying things like, "You're beautiful," or "You have nice eyes," or they go overboard with exaggerated praise that comes off as forced. Here's the truth: generic compliments don't make a woman feel special. If she's attractive, she's heard them all before. Those lines bounce right off her like water off a duck's back. Think of compliments like currency. Common ones have been inflated to the point of worthlessness. She's heard "you're beautiful" more times than she can count, and while it's nice, it doesn't create a memorable experience. In fact, it often makes you blend into the crowd of forgettable admirers. On the other hand, a well-crafted compliment that cuts through the noise can make her stop and feel something. It's not about impressing her with your words. It's about making her pause and wonder what it is you truly see. When a woman hears something that resonates on a deeper level, her brain activates in a different way. She doesn't just hear you, she experiences you. And that's what makes all the difference. Attraction isn't built on perfection or polished lines. It's built on emotional contrast, surprise, curiosity, uncertainty, even a bit of tension. That's what creates chemistry, the kind that lingers long after the conversation ends. So if you want to truly stand out, don't reach for the obvious. Step beyond the easy, autopilot compliments and dive into what makes her feel emotionally exposed, in a good way. That's the doorway to unforgettable connection. And once you step through it, you're no longer just another guy giving compliments. You become the man she can't stop thinking about. Compliments only work when they trigger an emotional reaction, when they make her feel something unexpected, personal, and raw. That's where forbidden compliments come in. These go deeper than surface-level admiration. They hit her psychologically, leaving a lasting impression that keeps you on her mind long after the conversation ends. They aren't just about boosting her ego. They're about making her crave your presence. In this video, I'm breaking down 3 powerful forbidden compliments. Used correctly, they can stir intense emotions and spark a level of attraction most men never reach. These aren't ordinary praises, they're carefully crafted lines that tap into the core of desire. Let's begin. 1. There's something about you I can't quite figure out. This isn't just a compliment. It's psychological warfare in the game of attraction. It taps into a powerful emotional need, the desire to be understood. While most men throw out predictable lines like, "You're gorgeous," or "You're really fun," this one creates mystery. It places her in a mental loop where she starts wondering what it is about her that intrigues you. The moment she hears it, her mind goes to work, trying to solve a puzzle that has no clear answer. That lingering question, "What is it about me he can't figure out?" starts echoing in her thoughts. It's no longer just about attraction. It becomes a challenge, a curiosity, even a subtle dare. She starts to lean in emotionally, wanting to discover what you see that she perhaps hasn't even seen in herself. And here's the magic. In trying to figure out what makes her intriguing to you, she begins to associate that intrigue with you. You become the mirror that reflects her uniqueness, and that creates a powerful emotional bond. This isn't manipulation, it's elevation. You're lifting her out of the ordinary compliments she's used to and into something far more compelling. This compliment bypasses logic and taps into emotion. It doesn't try to win her over. It invites her to uncover herself, and by extension, draw closer to you. It's seductive without being obvious, flattering without being direct, and honest without being needy. It's the kind of line that doesn't just start a conversation. It lingers, echoing in her mind at midnight, long after the interaction is over. The brilliance lies in what you don't say. You're not handing her validation, you're inviting her to explore what makes her unique in your eyes. That subtle difference is where the magic happens. Instead of feeding her ego, you're awakening her curiosity. And that's infinitely more powerful. When you leave a gap in the conversation, a mystery, a question, an open-ended reflection, it creates emotional tension. She's not just hearing words, she's feeling an urge to decode your perspective. It's like you've handed her a riddle where she is the answer, but she has to work for it. This psychological investment creates a lasting impression because it forces her to turn inward, to explore her own identity through the lens of your intrigue. This approach works because it speaks to one of the deepest emotional needs we all share: the desire to be seen not just clearly, but differently. Most compliments make women feel recognized. But a forbidden compliment like this makes her feel discovered. That's rare. That's what makes you unforgettable. And here's what's even more potent. It creates mutual suspense. You're also not sure what it is that draws you in. You're placing yourself in a position of curious exploration too. That levels the playing field and adds an intoxicating layer of authenticity. You're not pretending to have all the answers. You're simply reacting to a truth you can't yet explain. That honesty disarms her. In the space between what's said and what's left unsaid, connection is born. It's subtle, electric, and emotionally charged. She's no longer trying to impress you. She's trying to understand what it is you see in her that even she might have overlooked. And that makes her feel something real. That makes her invest emotionally because she wants to prove to herself, and to you, why she stands out. She's no longer just curious about your words. She's curious about your eyes, your mind, your perspective. What is it about her that made you pause? That question becomes addictive. So remember, it's not about saying more. It's about saying less, but with weight. Speak to her identity, not her image. Tease her intellect, not just her attention. Let her fill in the blanks, and she'll keep coming back to do just that. Why it works? 1. Makes her feel unique. She's not just another pretty face. You see something others don't. 2. Creates tension. You're interested, but you're also keeping her guessing. 3. Engages her emotionally. She begins to analyze what makes her different, already investing in the connection. Delivery is everything. Don't blurt it out. Pause, reflect, and let it come across naturally. For example, if she says something insightful, you pause, look at her and say, "You know, there's something about you I can't quite figure out." She surprises you. You smile and say, "You're not like most people I meet, but I can't figure out why." The beauty of this compliment is that it opens a loop in her mind. While most lines end a conversation, this one keeps her thinking about you. She'll replay it later, wondering what you meant, and that's when attraction turns into obsession. 2. I feel like there's a side of you most people never get to see. This isn't just flattery, it's a key that unlocks her emotional world. Most men rely on surface-level compliments. "You're so beautiful." "You're really funny." Sure, those might get a smile, but they don't reach her heart. This line, however, bypasses her defenses. It makes her wonder, what does he see in me that others don't? And the moment she starts thinking like that, you've stepped into a deeper space in her mind. Why it works? 1. You see her beyond the surface. You're not focused on her looks or vibe. You see depth. 2. You stand out. Unlike other guys, you notice what others miss. 3. She wants to prove you right. She'll start showing you more of her true self. To make this hit hard, timing matters. Wait until she shares something personal or does something that reveals a side of her most people don't witness. I feel like there's a side of you most people never get to see. If she laughs freely or acts unfiltered, I don't think most people get to see this version of you. If she surprises you, this is interesting. I bet people don't realize this about you. What makes this line so effective is the pause. That brief moment before you say it makes it feel sincere. It tells her that you're truly seeing something rare. Unlike basic compliments, this one plants a seed of curiosity. She starts revealing more, opening up, trying to show you what others haven't seen. And that's when the connection deepens. 3. I can't decide if you're trouble or exactly what I need. This is more than a compliment. It's a psychological twist. Most compliments put women in control. "You're amazing. You're the most beautiful woman I've ever met." These lines place her on a pedestal where she gets to decide how the interaction unfolds. But this line flips the script. Suddenly, she's the one unsure. She's the one trying to figure out what she means to you. That uncertainty? It's magnetic. Why it works? 1. It makes her feel exciting and unpredictable. Women love to feel like they can shake up a man's world. 2. Creates push-pull tension. You're interested, but not sold. That keeps her engaged. 3. Sparks curiosity. She wants to know why you're torn and what that means for her. Use this when there's already a playful vibe or flirtation in the air. Examples. She teases you, smirk and say, "I can't tell if you're trouble or exactly what I need." A. She does something bold, say with a grin, "I feel like you're going to be dangerous for me." If she surprises you with insight, tilt your head and say, "I don't know whether to run from you or get to know you better." The secret is in your tone. Say it slowly with a mix of curiosity and intrigue. If it feels too rehearsed, it falls flat. But delivered with genuine wonder, it flips the power dynamic. Now she's not the one being pursued, she's the one doing the chasing. Typical compliments might make a woman feel good. These forbidden compliments? They make her feel something deeper. They ignite curiosity, emotion, and connection. They make her feel seen, but not entirely figured out. And that tension? That mystery? That's what draws her in. When you use these lines correctly, you won't have to chase women. They'll chase the feeling you give them, a feeling they don't get from anyone else. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.